The 2025 Ford Mustang GT has already made waves with its powerful 5.0-liter naturally aspirated V8 engine, producing an impressive 500 horsepower. However, Steeda, one of the most well-known names in aftermarket performance, has taken things a step further. They've introduced the Q850 StreetFighter package, pushing the Mustang's performance into the stratosphere with 810 horsepower and 640 pound-feet of torque. This isn't just a cosmetic upgrade, it's a full-on performance overhaul designed to elevate the Mustang GT into an entirely new category of muscle. The name Q850 StreetFighter might suggest a performance figure of 850 horsepower, but Steeda's upgrades actually result in 810 horsepower, still a massive jump from the original 480 horsepower of the base Mustang GT. The increase in power comes courtesy of a Whipple 3.0-liter supercharger, which helps the engine breathe more freely and produce more power. This addition also increases peak torque to an impressive 640 lb-ft, giving the Q850 StreetFighter an edge when it comes to both straight-line acceleration and handling on twisty backroads. In addition to the supercharger, Steeda has focused on ensuring that the Q850 StreetFighter's drivetrain and suspension can handle the massive increase in power. This is achieved through several mechanical upgrades, including a powertrain control module calibration that optimizes the car's engine and transmission to work harmoniously with the new supercharger. To handle the increased power, Steeda has also added a billet oil separator, severe-duty half shafts, and manual transmission exclusive parts like the Steeda Tri-Axe short-throw shifter kit and the Steeda clutch spring assist kit. The Q850 StreetFighter isn't just about power, it's about ensuring that the Mustang can put that power down to the ground effectively. Steeda's engineers have developed a complete suspension and chassis upgrade package, including their signature Steeda G-Track package. This includes Pro-Action adjustable coilovers, adjustable rear shock absorbers, front and rear sway bars with welded billet ends, and adjustable rear toe links. For further handling improvements, the package also includes a bump steer kit and a front roll center correction kit. When it comes to wheels and tires, Steeda equips the Q850 StreetFighter with lightweight 19-inch Trident wheels, shod with Nitto NT555 G2 high-performance tires. These tires, with a 305/35 x 20 size at the rear, ensure maximum grip and stability. On top of that, the Mustang's visual appeal is heightened with a blacked-out hood, a serialized engine bay plaque, and a Steeda rear deck lid panel with a rear spoiler for added downforce. Steeda also offers an impressive list of optional weight-saving upgrades. By removing the rear seats and installing a lithium-ion battery, the Q850 StreetFighter can shed up to 178 pounds. Additional options include a carbon fiber package, a Stage 2 G-Track suspension, and severe-duty supercharger cooling. The upgrades don't just focus on speed and handling. There's also an emphasis on improving braking performance, with optional slotted two-piece brake rotors, Hawk performance pads, and braided brake lines. Despite all the modifications, Steeda ensures that customers will have peace of mind with a 3-year, 36,000-mile warranty, ensuring that the Q850 StreetFighter package is backed by solid coverage. As exciting as the Q850's performance is, potential buyers are left wondering if they should dive into this high-powered Mustang or hold out for Ford's next move, such as the anticipated revival of the Shelby GT500 with an 800 horsepower version of the Predator 5.2-liter supercharged V8. The Steeda Q850 StreetFighter is not just for the casual Mustang enthusiast. It's for those who crave extreme performance, handling, and a thrilling driving experience. With its stunning upgrades and powerful engine, the Q850 StreetFighter is sure to be a hit among Mustang lovers and performance car aficionados alike.